you don't necessarily have to get title insurance?
I've never seen that say that before.
It, the answer is that is true.
You don't
So
have to, but lenders require it for a reason.
correct. And you
Right,
would be a fool not to get title insurance on a property.
right. Insurance provides peace of mind and secures your investment. So what's the difference between title and escrow? You're going to ask me, right?
What's the difference between title and escrow, Tracy?
It's their roles in the real estate transaction. So, title refers to the legal ownership of a property. A title company ensures the property has clear title, free of liens and ownership disputes, and it provides insurance to protect buyers and lenders from title related issues.
So let's talk about that. So they actually do a search, right? And they look and confirm that ownership is all in order,
They
correct?
look back as far as records. I mean, it used to be like these paper files in the basement of title companies, right? And they'd go and they'd look and they'd make sure every time that property sold or the ownership name changed that it was all done properly, that they could say, yep, clearly there's no one else that can say that house is mine, right? And they're ensuring that. Escrow is a neutral third party service that manages the transaction process. They hold funds, they work documents, and they do all the contract details until the conditions of the sale are met. And they ensure both buyer and seller fulfill their obligations before closing. So when we go to close on a property, we go meet with an escrow officer, right? Not a title rep. The title person's already done all that background stuff, right?
Well, and it gets mushed up in New Mexico because in some states you have somebody that just does escrow that handles the paperwork and all that stuff, and then you have the title, which is separate. In New Mexico, the escrow person or the escrow officer and the title agent kind of intertwine them as the same, and it is in New Mexico, it's the same person. So when we have a
Typically.
property that goes under contract, goes pending, we engage a title. Well, we start working with the title person as soon as we list a property, just to
To
get
get
things
things in line.
cleared up. But that it's the same person is what my point is.
And just to clarify, it's not really the same person. It's the same company, sort of, but it's not the escrow person. There's a person at that company that's doing the vault search, the title search for the escrow company to put it all together. So in short, title company ensures ownership is clear, while escrow handles the safe transfer of money and documents. Both work together to complete the real estate transaction securely.
Got it.
Make sense?
Makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, that's title and escrow. And obviously you can go much deeper in that as well. And there's a lot of little things, but that's, give you the short and sweet version
The
of
quick.
that.